Hey, Shad here with Speed Addicts, and today we're going to check out KLIM's Marrakesh jacket. This jacket comes in two colorways, both gray and black, sizes small through 3X. I'm wearing the size large, which is a perfect fit for me. I'm 6'2", 220. There are no hip gussets or adjustments, and I would say it's a bit more fitted than some of KLIM's other offerings. Remember, if you buy your Marrakesh jacket from Speed Addicts, we have the Addicted Fit guarantee, and if you need to exchange or return, we do that free of charge. The Marrakesh is hydrophobic, which means it's treated with KLIM's proprietary water-resistant coating. It sheds water just fine. It's okay in light drizzle or something like that. I wouldn't call it waterproof like some of their top tier adventure gear, but again, great for around town or a weekend jacket. It will get rid of some of that water for you. KLIM uses 3M Scotch-Lite reflective tape on the shoulders and elbows. So they only use 3M. 3M is the best, period. And the reason that is because they use actual silver, and the way that this stuff is made, it actually reflects light directly back at the source. It doesn't just shoot light everywhere. So it's very effective reflective tape that KLIM uses here and here so people can see you coming. The KLIM Marrakesh features D3O armor in the shoulders, elbows, and back. What is D3O? It is this magic stuff that is soft and supple when you're moving around in it, but when you hit the ground, it hardens up and it absorbs energy, reflects the impact. It's really the most comfortable armor I've ever worn inside of a motorcycle jacket. KLIM features the CE Level 1 D3O in the Marrakesh jacket. Inside here we have this one and only pocket on the inside of this jacket, good for wallet or cell phone there. And then we have chest pockets up here, which also work as ventilation. So those are dual purpose up there. We have basic pockets down low. And then in the biceps we have our cuff. They use YKK super high grade zippers. The KLIM Marrakesh is of course backed by KLIM's 5-year warranty, well above the industry standard, and is also part of KLIM's gear protection guarantee, which means if you go down in your KLIM Marrakesh, you have a police report and photos, KLIM will replace it free of charge. That is really cool when you're investing in a high quality piece like this Marrakesh jacket. Remember, if you buy yours from speedaddicts.com, we have an Addicted Fit guarantee. If it doesn't fit perfect out of the box, we'll get you a free exchange or return, no restocking fees, folks. Head over to speedaddicts.com to pick up your KLIM Marrakesh today. Thanks for watching, everybody, and ride safe.